make a turnip head, go to Thingiverse, find this account, scroll down past all the other cool designs, and go to the bottom and you'll find turnip head. I printed all my parts with that bamboo filament at my school, and they charged $2 an hour, and I had about 4 or 5 different sets of parts, and each of those parts went for about 3 to 4 hours, I would say, so it was a little bit pricey. Here I'm just propping up the print with a couple popsicle sticks to add that wire down the back of the 3D printed stem. I didn't think it was going to be strong enough, so that's why I added that. It probably would have been smarter to spray paint it with a little bit of a filler primer first, but I had extra time, so I just went straight away to sanding. Any super glue or crazy glue works for putting these pieces together. I've printed turnip head twice. One of them in gold that doesn't have very good lamination. You can see it's just a mess. I don't even want to try to pick that apart. I tried. Individual grasses are webbed together, and if you cut the little webbing that connects it, you will tear the grass off, so I'm just going to leave it. But this one will still look nice, hopefully. I'll clean it up a little bit, but I won't sand it because that's a lot of work. But it will be painted. Definitely won't look as good as the version I will want to keep. So for some reason I was really lazy and I didn't want to go outside because I was in my pajamas. So I decided to spray paint in a box. Don't do this. It gets little particles everywhere on the floor. So for spray painting, this is a really good primer. This filler primer might muddle some of your details, so be careful about that. And after you're done sanding, finish it off with this. For some other reason, I thought that using a razor blade to clean up some of the edges would be a really smart idea. I was being lazy with sanding, but it really helped with the hands, but I don't suggest this as the best way to clean up, raggedy. I mean, for detailed things, I'd say that's fine, but for big areas, just leave it to the sandpaper. It's not actually a big deal if this happens to you. It happened to me many times. You just glue it back. So for painting it, I just have these random acrylics. I have no idea what brand they are. They are not branded, they just have numbers. That's all I know. But just get acrylics or something. Here is my reference photo that I use just to get all the colors correct. And make sure you practice. Just a bowl, get your brushes. It doesn't need to be anything expensive. I think these are like $1. Here are 2 different colors I was testing out for the jacket. You can see the differences on the back and the arms. As you'll notice, this is a very shiny turnip head, and turnip head isn't shiny, so I'll fix that at the end with a flat clear spray. My turnip head base coat is a very dark gray, so its gloves and its skin color needs a lot of layers to keep it looking from that dirty gray color. After you're done painting your turnip head, spray it down and it should look matte, just like this. Perfect. It's a turnip head. What more could you ask? Because I made 2 turnip heads, I'm considering selling my other turnip head that was more of a test subject for color and how you would paint, and it's the one with really bad lamination, the gold one. So if you're interested, just message me. I will send you pictures before you buy, because I'm warning you, it looks kind of ugly. So if you're interested and you don't know if it's available, just message me, and if it isn't available, I will close it off in the description. Just check below. I also have other projects coming. You see all those things? That's some cool stuff right there. Stay tuned, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.